verbs in past tense. They're very easy. Look at this. Arrive, arrived. Play, played. Visit, visited. Sleep, what the f***? Come, have no idea. What about go? The past of the verb go is went. How would I know that? It's not even close. There's no one letter in go that is also in went. Went should be the past of the verb want, but the past of the verb want is wanted. What do you guys want? There's two rules in past tense in English. The first rule, you just put the ed at the end of the verb. And on the second rule, you just write the verb on a piece of paper. You put it in a soda can. You shove it up your ass. And you pray for the best.